Small steps, big wins. Turning $200 into your financial future. You work hard for your money. Every dollar you earn represents your time and effort. What if you could make that money work just as hard for you? That's the power of investing. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to get started. In fact, investing just $200 a month can be your ticket to a brighter financial future. This isn't about getting rich-quick schemes or risky bets. It's about harnessing the power of consistent, smart investing over time. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial well-being, one $200 brick at a time. In this essay, we'll break down the simple yet powerful ways that small, regular investments can transform your financial life. We'll explore the magic of compound interest, the rise of AI-driven investing, and share inspiring stories of everyday people who've used this strategy to achieve financial freedom. Ready to turn your $200 into something extraordinary? Let's get started. The snowball effect. How compound interest makes your money work for you. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. That's the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the concept of earning interest on your initial investment on the accumulated interest from previous periods. Basically, your money starts earning money, and then that money earns even more money. Here's a simplified example. Let's say you invest $200 every month for 10 years, earning an average annual return of 7%. After those 10 years, you'd have invested $24,000, $200 per month times 12 months times 10 years. But thanks to compound interest, your investment would be worth significantly more, around $35,000. The longer you invest and the higher the return, the more powerful compound interest becomes. It's like a financial snowball that keeps growing and growing over time. The AI advantage. Putting your investments on autopilot for maximum growth. In the past, investing seemed complicated and intimidating. The stock market was a mysterious place, filled with numbers and jargon that only experts seemed to understand. You needed a financial advisor, spent hours researching stocks, and constantly monitored the market. It was a time-consuming and often stressful endeavor. But today, thanks to AI, investing has become easier and more accessible than ever before. The barriers that once made investing daunting have been significantly lowered. AI-powered investing platforms are like having a personal financial expert in your pocket. These platforms are designed to simplify the investment process for everyone. They use advanced algorithms to analyze market data, identify investment opportunities, and create personalized portfolios tailored to your financial goals. This means you get a customized investment strategy without the need for deep financial knowledge. Here are some key benefits of AI-driven investing. Simplicity. Say goodbye to confusing financial jargon and complex spreadsheets. AI platforms present information in a user-friendly manner, making it easy for anyone to understand their investments. AI platforms handle all the heavy lifting, making investing straightforward and easy to understand. You don't need to be a financial expert to make smart investment decisions. Personalization AI algorithms analyze your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon to build a portfolio that's right for you. This ensures that your investments align with your personal financial situation and future plans. Automation. Set up automatic monthly investments and let AI do the rest. This feature allows you to invest consistently without having to remember to make manual trades. No more remembering to log in or make manual trades. The AI takes care of everything, ensuring that your investments are always on track. AI-driven investing takes the guesswork out of growing your wealth, allowing you to harness the power of the market with confidence, even if you're starting with just $200 a month. With AI, you can watch your investments grow over time, giving you peace of mind and financial security. The $200 transformation, real stories of financial freedom. Imagine turning a modest sum into a life-changing financial cushion. It might sound too good to be true, but countless individuals have done just that. You might be thinking, can $200 a month make a difference? Can such a small amount really pave the way to financial freedom? The answer is a resounding yes. With discipline and the right strategy, even small investments can grow substantially over time. Countless individuals have used the power of small, consistent investments to achieve remarkable financial transformations. It's not about how much you start with, but how consistently you invest and let compound interest work its magic. Here are a few inspiring examples. Real people, Real stories, real transformations. The young professional. Sarah, a 25-year-old marketing assistant, started investing $200 a month in a low-cost index fund. She didn't have a high salary, but she was determined to secure her future. By the time she retired at 65, her investments had grown to over $1 million, providing her with a comfortable retirement. Sarah's story shows the power of starting early and staying consistent. The couple saving for a down payment. Mike and Lisa, a young couple in their late 20s, committed to investing $200 a month to reach their goal of buying a home. They knew that every little bit would add up. After 5 years, their disciplined saving and the power of compound interest allowed them to make a significant down payment on their dream house. Their story is a testament to the power of teamwork and shared goals. The side hustler John, a freelance writer, decided to invest $200 of his monthly side hustle income. He wasn't sure at first, but he took the plunge. Over time, his investments grew, providing him with a financial cushion and the freedom to pursue his passion projects. John's story highlights the importance of diversifying income streams and investing wisely. These stories demonstrate that you don't need a high income or a large sum of money to start building wealth. It's about making smart choices and being consistent. Consistent investments, even as small as $200 a month, can have a significant impact on your financial well-being over time. Start today and let your money work for you. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step: your roadmap to riches. 5 easy steps to start investing with AI today. Investing can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a straightforward and rewarding journey. Ready to embark on your own $200 investment journey? With just a small initial amount, you can start paving the way to a more secure financial future. Here's a simple, actionable plan to get you started. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to becoming a savvy investor. 1. Define your financial goals. This is the foundation of your investment strategy. What are you saving for? It's crucial to have a clear vision of your objectives. A down payment on a house, early retirement? Maybe it's a dream vacation or your child's education. Identify your goals to determine your investment time horizon and risk tolerance. Knowing this will help you make informed decisions. 2. Choose an AI-powered investing platform. These platforms use advanced algorithms to manage your investments efficiently. There are many reputable platforms available, like Betterment, which offers personalized advice and automated portfolio management. Wealthfront, known for its tax-efficient investing strategies, and Acorns, which rounds up your everyday purchases to invest the spare change. Compare their features, fees, and investment options to find the best fit for your needs. Take your time to read reviews and understand what each platform offers. 3. Open an account and link your bank account. This step is crucial to start your investment journey. The account opening process is typically quick and easy. Most platforms guide you through the process step by step. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, address, and social security number, and link your bank account to automate your investments. This ensures that your investments are consistent and hassle-free. 4. Set up automatic monthly investments. Consistency is key in the world of investing. This is the key to consistent investing. By setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that you are regularly contributing to your investment account. Schedule automatic transfers of $200 from your checking account to your investment account each month. This disciplined approach can significantly grow your investments over time. 5. Monitor and adjust as needed. While AI platforms handle most of the work, your involvement is still important. While AI platforms handle most of the work, it's essential to periodically review your portfolio's performance. This helps you stay on track with your financial goals. It's essential to periodically review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Regular reviews ensure that your investments align with your changing needs, and make adjustments based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. This might involve rebalancing your portfolio or changing your investment strategy. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the right tools and a clear plan, anyone can become an investor. With AI-driven platforms and a commitment to consistent contributions, you can take control of your financial future. You can start building your financial future today, one step at a time. Remember, every small contribution adds up over time, one $200 step at a time. Start today and watch your investments grow with the power of AI. Don't wait, start now. Your financial future begins with a single decision. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. This proverb holds true for investing as well. Don't let procrastination or the fear of not knowing enough hold you back from taking control of your financial future. Starting small with just $200 a month is a powerful first step towards achieving your financial dreams. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and let the magic of compound interest and AI technology work their wonders. So what are you waiting for? Take action today. Your future self will thank you for it.